Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. English SH. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Uman, and together we're here to help you speak English with confidence, step by step, day by day.
Exactly. If you want to speak English naturally, बिना ज़्यादा stress के, then you are in the right place.
Absolutely, and today's episode is super useful. We're talking about how to practice English every single day, even if you're busy, shy, or living in a non-English speaking country.
हाँ guys, because most people think if I go to London or America, then I'll speak fluent English. But that's not true. You can improve your English right here, wherever you are. India, Pakistan, Nepal, anywhere.
Exactly. You don't need to study for hours. You just need small, smart steps. Easy things you can do every day.
Tip 1. Listen to English every day. Okay, first tip, listen to English daily. Simple but powerful.
Yes, listening is the foundation. The more you listen, the faster your brain understands real English sounds and rhythm.
You can listen to podcasts like this one, Ji. English songs, news or YouTube videos.
And please don't worry if you don't understand everything. Even if you get 50%, that's totally fine.
Exactly. Just let English enter your ears. Listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, whenever. Make English your background music, yaar.
Tip number 2, shadowing. Repeat what you hear. Now, this one's fun, shadowing. It means copying what you hear, like an echo.
Yes. For example, repeat after us. I want to speak English fluently.
I listen to English every day.
I shadow to help me speak better.
Perfect. At first, it feels a little weird, thoda awkward लगता है, but it really trains your tongue and brain to work together in English.
Do it just 5 minutes a day and you'll feel your fluency getting smoother and more natural. Tip number 3. Think in English. Stop translating. Now this one changes everything. Think in English.
Yes, stop translating in your head, yaar. It slows you down.
Start with simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, it's morning. I am sleepy. I need coffee.
When you go out, say, the sky is blue. I feel good. I am walking fast.
These small thoughts slowly train your brain to think directly in English. No Hindi translation, no delay.
Exactly. It's like exercise for your mind. Thoda daily karo aur result automatic milega.
Tip 4. Read aloud. Next tip, read aloud. Reading silently helps your brain, but reading aloud helps your speaking muscles.
Yes, it's like gym for your mouth. When you read aloud, your tongue, lips, and mind all get practiced together.
Take a short story, dialogue, or article. Read it slowly, then again a bit faster, and then with emotion.
Pretend you're acting in a movie. It's fun and super effective for pronunciation and confidence.
Tip 5. Live with English. Make it part of your life. Okay, last tip, and maybe the most important, don't just study English, live with English.
Yes, make English a part of your daily life. For example, change your phone language to English.
Exactly! You'll see words like settings, update, or download again and again, and you'll learn them naturally without memorizing.
Also, write a short diary every night. Just 3 sentences, like, I went to work, I was tired, I watched an English video.
Or record a 1-minute voice note every day. Talk about your day in English. No one has to hear it, it's just for you.
When you listen to your own voice, you'll notice your mistakes and fix them easily. That's how real improvement happens.
And if you can, join online groups or English learner communities. Talk, write, send voice notes. It's fun and motivating.
Wrap up. So guys, learning English is not about perfection. It's about consistency.
Exactly. Daily 10 to 15 minutes is enough if you use it wisely.
Listen, speak, think, read, and live English. These small steps make a big difference.
And remember, English shouldn't feel like homework. It should feel like part of your life.
Well said, Sarah.
Thank you, Uman. And thank you everyone for listening to Mr. English SH.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to follow and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
We'll be back soon with another fun and useful episode.